Today, I am reviewing the DeskCycle Under-Desk Elliptical machine. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been using the DeskCycle Under-Desk Elliptical machine for a little over 3 months now, and I wanted to write a genuine, long-term performance review of this seated leg exerciser. When you work a desk job or spend hours sitting in front of a computer screen, you quickly realize how detrimental a sedentary lifestyle is to your energy levels, focus, and physical health. I was looking for a way to keep my legs moving and burn some extra calories without interrupting my daily workflow or distracting me from important tasks. After using this machine for several hours every single day while answering emails, participating in video calls, and writing code, I can confidently say that it has completely transformed my daily routine and significantly boosted my productivity. The first thing that really impressed me about this unit is the phenomenal build quality. When you look at cheaper underdesk pedalers, they often feel flimsy, lightweight, and have a tendency to slide across the floor or rock side to side as you cycle. The DeskCycle Elliptical is built like a tank. It features a heavy-duty steel frame and a wide, sturdy base that keeps it firmly planted on the ground, even when you start picking up the pace. Weighing in with a solid, substantial flywheel, it does not budge an inch, regardless of whether you are using it on a low-pile office carpet or a slick hardwood floor. The absolute standout feature of this machine, however, is how incredibly smooth and quiet the operation is. DeskCycle utilized an advanced magnetic resistance system that makes the pedaling motion completely fluid. There are no sudden jerks, sticking points, or uneven resistance drops during the elliptical stride. More importantly, it is genuinely whisper quiet. I was deeply concerned that the machine would make a whirring or clicking sound that my microphone would pick up during virtual meetings, or that it would annoy people nearby. In reality, the internal components move in absolute silence. You can easily use this in a wide-open corporate office or a quiet library without anyone ever noticing that you're getting a workout in. The design of the pedals is another area where this product excels over standard underdesk cycles. The pedals are extra long and wide, which gives you complete freedom over your foot placement. By moving your feet up toward the top of the pedals, you can maximize the vertical up and down movement, which targets your quadriceps and calves more intensely. If you slide your feet toward the bottom of the pedals, the motion becomes much more horizontal, mimicking a traditional walking stride that is gentler on the knees and perfect for mindless, low-intensity movement while focusing on complex tasks. It also offers 8 distinct resistance levels that you can adjust using a dial on the front of the machine. Levels 1 through 3 are perfect for casual, effortless movement where you just want to keep your blood flowing and avoid stiffness during a long workday. Levels 4 through 6 start to build up a noticeable warmth in your muscles, making it a great tool for physical therapy, active recovery, or building leg strength. If you crank it all the way up to levels 7 and 8, it becomes surprisingly difficult, providing a genuine cardiovascular workout that will definitely make you break a sweat. Tracking your progress is incredibly easy thanks to the included Smart 6-function liquid crystal display. It tracks your total revolutions per minute, time spent active, and an estimation of calories burned. What I appreciate most about this setup is that DeskCycle recognized how difficult it is to look under a desk just to read a small screen. They included a separate display stand and a long extension cable, allowing you to unclip the monitor from the base of the machine and place it directly on top of your work table. Being able to see your real-time stats right next to your computer monitor is incredibly motivating and pushes you to hit your daily movement goals. If there is one minor detail to consider, it is that you need to make sure your desk has enough clearance for your knees. Because the machine has a low-profile elliptical motion rather than a high-arc bike pedal motion, it fits under most standard desks beautifully, but if you have a particularly low keyboard tray or exceptionally long legs, you may need to adjust your chair height slightly to prevent your knees from tapping the underside of the table. Ultimately, the DeskCycle Under-Desk Elliptical completely delivers on its promises. It is a premium, heavy-duty, and whisper-quiet piece of fitness equipment that seamlessly blends into a professional working environment. It successfully bridges the gap between staying active and staying productive, helping to reduce daily stress and eliminate that sluggish, late-afternoon fatigue. If you're looking for a reliable, ultra-smooth way to incorporate healthy movement into your sedentary desk job or physical therapy routine, this machine is worth every single penny.